Walk where walk, drive what? Walk where walk. So me left crossroad go over to police. Them ask me where me a come from. Me say me a come from up a Kildare, Buff Bay Valley.
Yes.
Where me go do? Me say
Me a bleach, me diving business, face like white like powder. No, face white like flour, no weevil business. Say she have a man, me say me no business. If we do it, that a for me and for your business, cause God's not in a. Me a come in a yup, no lappy business, give girl back. I think I want a cartel video. No, it's a Bawdacat video. And we not hold it up, we are run it.
one true story.
Make you tell one true story.
One time me and such man got up his work. And such man get him like a check. Can't change in a shop nor no bar. So him say, Cat, no, we have to go to town. I say, no problem, we are going to town. Going to town, but maybe me never look so like how me look now.
Like
Maybe me did look thief, look like
shabby.
criminal,
Yeah.
look broke, look poor, look poverty, all of them something that looks must show up on me, me don't know.
If you say looks, people are look
Yeah,
funny.
yeah,
Looks
so-
are deceiving though,
Such
you
man
know?
gone in a place really cup his butter. Me tell for myself say no, me no need to go in. Me need to just brace yourself and wait till such man forward.
Yeah, because I know you are change check.
Right, and I know me I go collect. So me need to just brace and wait for such man. Me did a brace all out. Me see two little man over there, so I reason to themselves and I whisper and I talk. So me say them with them could not talk. But anyway, them are not my topic. Me they are easy by myself, but you're frightened if you know say me a feed them topic. Yeah.
Them are not my topic, but you're frightened for know say me a for them topic. Where you think them a talk about Bawdacat? Because you know look uptownish, you look ghetto and dirty back in the days. Let's hear. Let's watch and see.
Them whisper till them can't whisper no more. One of them take film bright self. Tell him say, "Ma step over to me." Hear him. Hi young man. Me say hi father. Hear him. What you doing here? Me say what you doing here?
Yeah.
Hear him. We have something inside there, but you don't have nothing inside here. Me say, yeah.
That's in a bank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And me know for me like a about time where me a wait pan. Me don't know about him, you know.
Yeah.
Me a look on this tall, bald man, you know, Brooksy.
All man.
All English man.
Yeah.
So me I say then, who him bright, so what me fi do with him today? Me I say, you know, me I go cut off the man, your blood clotted today. And brother, me I tell you the truth, you know, me just grab him in that big, dirty, pretty short here where him have on, you know. And draw down him all tall blood clots, so to me, you know, and pop out the kitchen bitch. When me look pan the head fi cut him up, me say, you know, me not fi cut him, cause station the right there, so next door, you know.
Yeah.
I give him two blood clots slapping him head, miggle with me kitchen bitch, you see, brother, me hear the blade.
What do you think it happened? Or fictional? I think it happened. Bawdacat look like how I'm back in ideas bad man. Yeah man. Remind me of them man they are the knife bad man. Rest in peace. Alright, here we go and listen to Bawdacat story.
Sing. Yeah, man, and me take him and pitch him pan the whole party.
Yeah.
The whole party grab him rascal and
And
say,
back
come
off.
on, come on, them turn cross station. Me say, your blood clot. You know, me can never tell him come all the while. When me did there, so stand up by myself now, look pan who know. Why you never tell him, say, come and left the man? Eh? Why me can never tell him? You know, I made me to cut off and show give him do.
Yes.
Remember, good enough, man. I try to embarrass me in a Middletown, yes, brother, man. But just to me might not look dressed like him.
And you look
Yeah.
And I have no three-piece suit
no
and
worries,
Where
Alright.
I come from, and my clothes clean and nothing to do me, but you know, me just not look up to date like where him want me to look like.
That's what we call classism, not racism. Yeah. We have it all over the world. And growing up, we had colorism. Browning chicks, light skinned overall people had a little bit more privilege. Back in the days, browning alone work a bank. Talk truth. Talk truth. Anyways, we are move forward. One Bawdacat him no easy, you know, man. But him and him bridging them I say again now.
So you come out for thief like.
Me no come out for thief lighter, but I don't so lighter business go.
So you can light and pass it.
No man, sometimes you light you have a whole kind of before you go stay up on the weed.
One up for you.
Can't pass it yet.
You need to have one for yourself,
But
man.
at the same time, during a high speed, I reason with sick, you know. So you not reasoning to, but you say, "Church, you're a one box fan and a reason with sick, tough, then no one."
You don't have time to give him back him.
No,
life.
make him go and back
So
stand with
him
sick.
now go want it.
Eh? Him not go want it.
Mm.
More want it, yes, but no when
So
me
you
can't.
can't stop the reasoning for give.
No man I sick a reason
So
tough
what
man.
the reasoning the important one the man light up?
Yeah man, then the man sick and fight them one topic and tell sick and say go jump over moon and sick and say you fucking idiot that boy come to jump over moon. Go walk on earth. You know, he might win. So if you remember about like that, why I say
You ever think how the cow jump over the moon?
that
Cat, we not. Cat, oh,
Then
coffee
you
jump
bring
over.
up the fuck then me not ask him if you ever think about it.
me see
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, me think about it and find out say that you never happen.
Yam. Me see it. Me see it.
You see that?
Yeah man.
You
Me
see
not
that?
grade one, and give me some book for read.
Oh,
Yeah man, hero it up.
Mr. The cover
Hero
go
it
my
up.
moon you fuck me see it. Go
Watch
jump the moon
Hero it
cat.
up now, Jerry.
Yeah.
The reflect.
And your eyesight.
No, the moon reflect a ground and the cow jump.
So you see that still right now, Jerry.
No,
Are
you
you
don't
right, man?
see nothing like that, Sha.
Yeah, man.
You see it up in her ear, so. And the cow there with him foot them over it, so.
and sitting.
Yeah.
Then again you have to wonder what kind of cow
that-
You don't see it no,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
You have flying cow?
Yes.
Where?
I have sea cow. You don't know if moon or shine a seed. You know what
Where moon there?
Moon?
Hey.
Moon not there above.
No,
Rotate.
you can't say that. You ever go on the earth yet?
Moon there above.
But
It
Jerry,
rotate.
you ever go on the earth yet?
Under earth.
Eh.
Yeah, me did go a place go under earth
No,
already.
you don't know what shine on the earth, man. So you see the moon above, but you don't know where it
You
shine.
go through two.
Boy, they about Cloudy Rasta. No, that cow that jump over the moon is a rolling calf cow. You remember a dopey story them when they used to tell you when they are pitting about the rolling calf? How that dopey they are most dangerous? Well, we just figured out the cow that jump over the moon is a rolling calf cow. Bawdacat and his friend them no normal at all. Them a clone this and that. But then again, me never see moon reflect at earth, yeah. So how the hell the cow fi jump over a moon from the reflection of the moon? Or the shadow of the moon? What? Cause I was thinking, and I said that sound logical, but me I think about it now. That what? Boy, my worse now the Rasta in this, yeah. Jano. So me I move forward. Wait there. Hey, when I time Bawdacat had to tell you, man, a man then almost every commercial, you know. Let's watch this commercial and maybe we get lucky and win the lotto. So if you watch this video or when you watch this video, go and go buy a lotto tomorrow, today, whenever you're watching.
That will never happen. That never happen neither.
Forget the ticket. I'm gonna write you a check.
Nah, this. No, this can happen.
Me I buy Mega Million tomorrow. Me leave Powerball tomorrow. I may apply buy State Lottery tomorrow. I may buy Pick 3. Me I buy Pick 4. Me I buy Pick 5. You know, when you buy a lotto ticket, you must have whatever number you buy. You must buy them continuously. Never ever change a number. One old man tell me that over here. A man say, no work. In getting Social Security, and he buy the same Pick 4, Pick 3, and Pick 5 then. But he have like multiple tickets. And he buy them for like 50 cents and $1. So he spend around $25 morning, noon, and night. Man, so when he win, he might win $5 grand. And he might win like 2-3 times for the month. So that's, say he might win like $7 grand for a month. Yeah, that's not bad. Just stick to your numbers. Pick a certain amount of numbers and print those tickets every day. Every day. And you see how it turn out for you. Don't follow me. I'm not a lot of expert. Follow your old man will tell me to follow him. Moving forward.
That man. No man, some man come with empty gun in the house too, you know.
You can't see night?
No.
Oh, you going on
Me not just tell him go suck him mother, make him shoot me brother and the argument done.
So you're willing for that?
Me willing for anything from
You
you.
say you're not making it take mama.
willing for give you no okay if you kill mama. I just that am my topic.
So you're going to go for mama?
Me nah go for no mama man. Him have to take me for
mama.
Mama
8 you are 30, you are going to go left.
Brother, him have to take me for mama. Me nah go for no mama. My life this is no value just like for mama tell.
Him not going to say you want to go.
Them that why you not think me tell him say take my one? Me could have tell him right away as in talk say take my one, you know. But my life value just like for mama. So me I tell him say go suck him mother. None of them you not give to you.
But you are going to
see if you want you take where you see. Or take where you can't take. Me nah give you none. That mean a coward, me coward I yarn your gun, you know. So me I go tell you say kill mama cause mama can't dead now mama all. Suck yourself and
Bawdacat get dark, angry, miserable. Don't play with mama youth. Oh, or else you're gonna get brush. Moving forward. Well, anyways, every man have a right. I know man have a right for defend their home from intruder, invaders. If a boy, girl, man, man, come in your house, morning, noon, or night, whatever you have, use it and defend yourself. And it's always good to have an iron. That's why you have to live in a country and state where you can't have your iron. Protect yourself. Moving forward.
yeah, that's how they have good name. Now tell you that.
You can see good name for him.
Good name there for me.
You have a trouble for me?
Yeah.
Get to me for me.
Yeah. Uncle too?
Any amount you want to pay?
No.
You
Nah,
are
pressure.
No me. I know me I got trust either.
And me I got trust but I know me I pay.
I walk up here.
Who said me got trust?
Then the ear.
That's a crap.
I don't grab.
No, me nah use crap. Me I use who no have no good name. Me can't them out with my good name. So you have to make your name good with me. Come back and pay. No, but me I go pay. Me I go pay for
I run the shop.
No, your name no good in there. You say. Hey, and me want.
Them two you always argue. They never agree yet. And them they argue over when Bawdacat say Andrew, nobody know Andrew. And this man say, I'm not smart, everybody know Andrew. And them they argue when Bawdacat say, tell world boss or Addy if you go SYM. And my man they say, people tell Addy all the while for Ray. He never say it. So here they are arguing about who fi go a shop go trust. One Bawdacat man. Open to like the video still, you know. Me a ramble. I mean, I gamble. Anyways, remember if you buy the lotto ticket. And if you don't win, don't forget me. Like the video, share the video, subscribe. Stay safe. God bless.